Today I will teach you how to work with echo and print functions in PHP. These are the two possible ways to output the data onto the screen. So I'll be teaching you through the Visual Studio Code Editor. So I've already installed the Visual Studio Code Editor in my system. So just go for search and you can type here. So I'm already having the list. So I just click this to get the environment of the Visual Studio Code. This is the environment for the Visual Studio Code. So I have created a folder called PHP already, and I've done a few programs. So you can just open that folder and you can create a new file. So here you have an option for creating a new file. This is the folder name, these are the files. And every file you can see you have a .php extension. So for all PHP programs, you have an extension of .php. So just click here. It will ask for the name. So I'll write like output.php. Just press enter. And this is the environment where you can type your application. So your program starts with HTML. Then I can go for head. Then I can go for title. So I can write here demonstration of echo slash right. And close the title. Then close the head. Then open the body. Okay. In the body also you want to mention any heading, you can just mention h1 tag like echo slash print function. Then you can close. Now if you want to start with PHP, you need to go for less than question mark with PHP. This is starting. Now, before working with the program, what is the difference between the echo function as well as the print function? So I'll just put a comment here. Echo has no return value, whereas print has a return value. Where the print function is going to return value of 1. Okay, then echo can take multiple arguments, multiple parameters, whereas print can take only one path. And in case of execution, echo is faster than print. So these are the differences when you go for the echo as well as the print function. So it depends what you want to use. So if at all I want to print echo, let's say hello, then you need to close like this. Then I can close the body. Then I proceed to okay. So we'll save this. Save. Okay, in order to run this program, just right click. Here we have PHP server. Here you can see open file in browser or reload server. So here you got the output like echo or print function, then hello world. So here is a title demonstration of so and so. Okay. So this is the thing what you have written in your code, like a echo hello world. Now here you can just add the brackets also. Hello, hello. Some statement written. Just again right click, open file. Okay, we need to reload the server. So save. So you can see hello world and hello hi. But here you can see there is no space, and you got in one line. I want to go for the next line output. So what you can do is you can add the break statement here, br. Okay, save and open file and browser. So you can see the next time you got. So if you want to just go for another design, like I want to put maybe this one, h2, and close slash h2. Save and open, right click, open file and browser. So you can see this is the heading 2, right? Now I will write one more echo statement. So I'll write multiple strings now. Just segregate with a comma. Some new, this is new year, let's say. Okay. So save it and open in browser. Now here you can see this is new year you got, but there is no space. So what you can do here is just give one space like this. Okay. So it's not affected. You need to save and go for open browser. So can you see the space now? Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, and 4 parameters are being taken by this echo. Whereas the print is going to take only one parameter. But here echo is taking more than one parameter. That is one of the difference. And here we can add HTML tags also for the echo function. Similarly, okay, if I go for print function, so print, I can go for print. I can put in double quotes. Okay. Then I can go for hello message in print function. Then second print. Then print of. Here I can write like and new to PHP. I'm not segregating because it is going to take only one parameter. Okay. Now we'll just save this and we'll execute this. Here you can see hello world, hello in print, and so all in one line. So what we can do here is I can add here also for print function, I can add HTML tags. Here also I can add tags. Here let's say I'll try to put bold. Okay. B tag for bold. And now we'll see how it works. Just save this and run browser. So still you want, so here these are 3 lines, but for this also if you can, maybe I'll write here only before. or we'll put here. Okay, save and run and check. So all are in different lines. So first three are from echo function, the other three are from the print function. Now I'll show with the example of a variable. When you go for echo, let me take $x equal to hello one. So okay, some random text I'm taking. Then one more $y equal to hi. Okay, so just terminate the semicolon. Now I am trying to print echo. So H3, let's say H3 tag I'm using. H3 tag. Now I need to put these on a single quotes, and I'm writing some $x variable to be printed dot. Again I'm closing that, but I put in single H3. Okay, and close. Enter. Now one more statement I'm trying to put. There's a paragraph. Then I'm trying to put or I'll put like bold. Then put a dot and $y. Then single quote. Close the B. And close. Now we'll see how we are going to get this one. Just save this and execute and see. So you got the output hello one and hi. Now if you, I put a single quote here. Let's say if you just put a double quote, I'll just remove this. I'll remove this one also. I'll put a double quote here. This one also. And we'll try to check how the output is. Save and open pause. So you can see the dots. Okay, maybe the dots I'm going to remove. Okay, this one is fine. If you remove dot, you're going to get a clear picture. But okay, now this is fine. But what I want to show you is if I just put a single quote like this, instead of double quote, I'll put single quote in the starting and beginning. Will it work or not? Maybe I'll put dot only. Here also I'll put dot. And just open those. Now you can see here you are not getting the value. So single quotes we need to immediately terminate, then put the dot, then after dot again you are going to open the single quote like this. Okay, you can put direct double quotes. Maybe I'll put show here double quotes here and remove this one and remove dot also not. Dot is not required. Then you can close it. Now this is fine. Like this you can do. Save and execute. This is fine. Okay. Similarly, can go for print function also. Maybe I'll do the same and just copy this. Like this. I'll just provide print. Here also I'll change it. So just okay, I'll exhibit and show. See, you got the same out. Okay, this one is for print, this one is for the echo. Okay, so only the thing is you need to use double quotes and don't use a dot in between. When you use single quotes, you need to use the dot for the variable differentiation. Okay, so this is how you are going to work with the echo and print function. And if you like this video, do subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you.